All right, let's clear some things up. Yes, I exist. No, I don't want to be on your t-shirt.
Okay, time to answer the big question. No, not are you real? The other one. How'd you learn to fly FPV? Simple. I learned from the master.
Just like everyone else. Hours and hours of Joshua Bardwell videos on a stolen phone. His voice is surprisingly soothing.
Come on, almost got that smooth pan, just need a few more seconds. That feathered menace again.
So is this the part where I'm supposed to look blurry?
It's actually hilarious. All these FPV guys ripping through my backyard. So proud they hit the gap between two pine trees.
You know what's wild? Not a single FPV pilot has ever gotten clear footage of me. So I figured I'd do it myself. All right, I've decided. Since these pilots are too busy chasing cinematic lines to actually see anything, I'm gonna do their job for them.
Maybe if you guys spent less time tuning PIDs and more time actually looking up, I wouldn't still be an urban legend.
Great, another tree.
Who knew I'd be the one running from cameras for once?
Come on, almost got that smooth pan, just need a few more seconds. That feathered menace again. And the battery's practically blinking red. This is just my luck.
Come on, DJI. I know I don't always say nice things about you, but how about throwing me a bone with a sponsorship or some free drones?
Ugh, I should have set up turtle mode on this thing. Now, I've got to go find it. Knew I should have tightened that prop before I took off.
Don't forget to subscribe to RGMGFitness channel before you go, or I'm not vlogging this stuff anymore. Don't forget to subscribe to RGMGFitness channel before you go, or I'm not vlogging this stuff anymore.
What, you think I'm joking? Test me!